Welcome back to Blind Man Morris. And these are the three things you shouldn't do between Christmas and the New Year when you've got too much time on your hands and your belly's full of Christmas turkey. So let's go and have a look. So here we are in the engine bay, and it's cold, it's wet, it's windy, and they're grey days, and you've got too much time on your hands, and you've got itchy fingers, and you think to yourself, well, that car's not starting very well. That's because it's cold. So the one thing you don't want to do is set your mixture. Over here is your carburetor, your SU carburetor. Leave it alone. It's probably just because it's cold and you haven't been driving very much. So don't be tempted between Christmas and the New Year to tinker with your carb. A couple of hours in December can end up months piddling around in January. Number 2, timing. So it's cold, it's wet, it's December, down there's your distributor, and you get in your car and you turn the ignition and it feels a bit heavy, a bit lumpy, a bit hesitant. You think, oh, I've got a few hours of spare time. It's Christmas, between Christmas and the New Year. What should I do? I know, I'll go and set the timing. Don't. Just stay indoors with your feet up and another mince pie. Leave your timing alone until it's warmer when it's easier to set. And there we go. Number 2, the timing. Leave it alone. Number 3, valve clearances. Under there's your lovely valves. And you're sat there thinking, can I stand watching The Sound of Music or Gone with the Wind again for the 15th time? No. I know what I'll do. I'll go out there and set the valve clearances. That's a great idea. No, it isn't. Leave them alone. If your car's running all right, it's just cold. If it's a bit lumpy, don't worry. Just take it out for a good long run instead. But leave your valve clearances alone. It's much nicer to do it in warmer weather when you've got nice nimble fingers. So between Christmas and the New Year, step away from the spanners, get close to the fire, and if you want to do anything at all, just take your moggy out for a good old run. And there we go.